Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of Dataczar, which include domain hosting, website building, and email marketing all in one place. So you can either log into your account or you can sign up for an account, which is real easy. You can just click on the sign up icon and you can sign up here or register through Google. Now we already have an account, so we're going to go ahead and log into our account. And let's go ahead and go full screen here, and let's get logged in. So get our username and our password. And then once you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So again, we're going to cover domain hosting, website building, and email marketing. So first of all, for domain hosting, to register your domain, you click on the Domains button on the main menu, and then you just do a search. Today we're going to search AAA outdoor scenes, and let's see if that's available. And it's loading, and yes it is. So if we want to register the website, we're going to click register right here, and then you just make sure everything looks correct, and then you click the register button. We're not going to register today, but that's how you do register a domain, by clicking on the domain button right here. And then once you have your website registered, you can go to the website button on Dataczar to start building your website. And every account at Dataczar comes with the website pre-built into it. There's a public preview URL right here, which is what we've been working on to build our AAA outdoor scenes. And then once you get your domain, it's going to show right here. So let's go ahead and look at what we've been building. And this is it. This is our AAA outdoor scenes that we've been building. We have a home page, pastures, picture gallery, contact us. On the home page, we also have all these posts. We have our picture gallery, hiking above the clouds, our latest beautiful rainbows, and so forth. So let's go back to Connect. And so if you want to create a post, you click on Posts. You can add a new, or you can edit your post. Same with pages. You can add a new page, or you can edit your page. You have settings. You can do your different color schemes, your backgrounds, your menus, and headers and footers, and all that good stuff. So to build your website, you click on the Website button here. And once you have your website built, so you've registered your website, you've built your website, now you want to do some email marketing. There's two places. You can go to emails to generate an email. You can go to lists to add a list of customers or clients that you want to email. And you also have automation. And automation takes the website that you built and it creates a newsletter. So let's go back to the website real quick. And by the way, each website has a sign up for newsletter here. So anyone that visits the website can sign up for the newsletter. And then let's go back to Connect. And then to create a newsletter, it's real simple. You just click on the Get Started. You pick a template. And then you select your feed, and we're going to select our website feed. We already have it selected, so let's go here to automation, and this is generated by doing those steps that we just followed. And then to edit your automation or your newsletter feed, you just go down here, you click edit. It tells you how many posts you want to fetch. We fetched the 3 most recent posts. So if you go back to the website, we fetched picture gallery, hiking above the clouds, and our latest beautiful rainbows. So go back to Connect here, and let's preview. So under preview, we added this little header here, hi, thanks for staying connected. And then these are the posts that were fetched automatically to create the newsletter. So let's go back to automation, and then to create the email, you just hit the plus sign. And then that takes you from automation to email. And then we have our email created right here. It's ready to go. It's going to go to our default list right here. And then we just need to schedule a date and a time. So let's going to schedule it for Friday. Save draft. And we're going to schedule to send right here. And schedule send one more time. And we have it scheduled. So to sum it up, we have our domain hosting, where you can register your domain. We have the website building, where you can build out your website. You have posts, pages, and settings to build out your website. And then we have the email marketing through our newsletter generator, which is automation, and also emails and lists. And that's all part of the email marketing. And that's it. Those are the benefits of Dataczar, which include the domain hosting, the website building, and the email marketing all in one place.